Hey guys, welcome back to Delph. Today I'll be showing you how to set permanent password TeamViewer. So guys, first things first is of course you could just simply go ahead and open up the TeamViewer into your computer. And now over here guys on the TeamViewer, you could just simply go ahead and go for the admin settings down below. And then you can utilize the search bar at the top over here. You just simply search for password, and down below you should be able to see random password after each session. So this is what we are trying to find, and select it, and it will redirect you over here guys. Now over here the first one is random password after each session. So guys, a new password is randomly generated for each TeamViewer session. And now if I want to change that, I will have multiple options over here. We could go ahead and go for keep current, which we will keep the current password that we have, or we could go for deactivate, and we could also go for show confirmation. And down below you should be able to have other options like temporarily save connection password for outgoing connection. So as you can see, when enabled, you can use the same password for your TeamViewer connections for a duration of 5 minutes, and after the password will automatically expired. So pretty much if you don't want your password to be expiring, you just simply turn it off. And you can also go for the personal password over here down below guys, which anyone who knows your password can access it, and you could select edit over here. And from here you just simply scroll down and you could set your personal password over here based on your preferences. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.